Who's there?
What's there? Cameron, what's all this? Presents. Let's bring them inside and you can open them. Pick up the cars. Get the cars.
Who brought them?
I don't know. Who brought them?
Where's Mitt? It's Mitt. Who brought
He
them?
heard the doorbell ring. I said, someone rang the doorbell. He says, who is it? I said, I don't know. He says, is it Santa?
Where's Santa?
I don't know.
He must have just left them for you and ran away. Let's go open them.
You're right
You
here.
want to sit down right here and do it?
Here. I want help.
You want help?
Yeah, I can't. I did a grocery store. It was. Open.
You want to open this one? What's that one? What is that?
Everything.
M&M's.
What's in there?
I don't know. Is there something in here? Are you sure? You want to open it and find out? What's in there? M&M's cars. Wow.
Yeah, look at this. You take this off.
You want to take that off?
I got it. I barely got it. Oh
Look, can I show you? Look. There we go.
no! Wait.
Wow. Can you fix this one too?
Yeah.
What else is in the bag? Is there something else in there? In here? Where? Wow.
What's this one? What's in this one? What's in it? Let's open it.
You want to open it? Well, hey, it's a water bottle. We'll put water in it later and you can drink out of it, okay?
Why?
Because it's a water bottle. Okay? Wow, look at all these goodies. You want to open another bag?
Look!
Wow.
Look at Look at these! Wow!
What is that?
A
A
present!
present? It's a Christmas decoration.
Yeah!
Wait, what is this?
Christmas!
Christmas.
What is Vader?
Vader! Show it to Daddy.
Mater.
What else is in here? Is there something else in there?
Yep.
What?
Rusty Bowser. Lazy!
Show Daddy. What else is in there? More M&Ms.
What do you eat after dinner?
We're going to eat them after dinner?
Yeah.
Okay, that sounds great.
Put it on the counter.
Okay, we'll put them on the counter and we'll eat them after dinner, okay?
Hey, open this.
You want to open it now?
Yeah. We're gonna